Hey legends, welcome to Waterfalls Tasmania. We're going to have a look. Apparently it's 207 steps to the bottom. You've got a bit of an area here where you can have a barbecue. And they got a bit of information here on it. It's a bit dirty, so it's really hard to read. We've had a bit of rain, and by the sounds of it, the waterfalls are flowing pretty quick, so hopefully we'll get a good view today. And here we are, the start of the steps down to the bottom platform. You can see the spray coming up from the waterfalls there, and they are flowing really well today. It's that white, it almost looks like a milkshake really. So we're just heading down to the bottom platform at the moment, and we will head up the top there to get some shots from up the top as well, but that is flowing really well today. Yeah. Now to start the 207 steps all the way back to the top. It's just started to rain real heavy. If you guys are enjoying this content, hit the like and subscribe. It means a lot when you guys do that. Even though it's really wet today, you can't deter people. There's plenty of people here today. Hope you guys appreciate me standing out here in the rain, getting really wet to give you guys a view of Waterfalls. So hit the like, hit the subscribe, and now I'll take us down to the top and give you a look from the top up here. I've got plenty more content on the channel if you wish to check that out. So here we are at the top platform up here, and yeah, if you've enjoyed this content, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Let me know if you've been here in the comments. Let me know if you've been here to Waterfalls in Tasmania. So I'll wrap this one here up, guys, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the content. So until next time, I'll catch up with you to the next one. See you later, guys.